Looking to upgrade your 2012 Ford Focus stereo without the headache? This accessory harness offers a straightforward solution that keeps your car's essential features intact while making installation a breeze. Whether you're replacing an amplified system or adding a standard double-DIN stereo, this harness provides the 12-volt 10-amp accessory power you need, plus it retains the R.A.Tpu, retained accessory power, so your electronics stay powered as expected. What makes this harness stand out is its compatibility with non-amplified systems and its ability to deliver key navigation outputs like parking brake, reverse, mute, and vehicle speed sensor, V.S.S. signals. That means you don't lose critical functions when upgrading your stereo. Plus, it comes with an ASWC harness included, making steering wheel control integration easier, though the ASWC module itself isn't part of the package. Installation is straightforward enough that users have reported success with simple butt connectors, no complicated wiring needed. One satisfied customer shared how perfectly this harness worked for their daughter's 2012 Ford Focus SE. Even without needing the navigation features, the harness flawlessly supported a regular aftermarket double-DIN stereo. Another review highlights how easy it was to hook up and how well it performed, emphasizing its reliability and user-friendly design. If you want to upgrade your Ford Focus stereo without losing functionality or dealing with complex wiring, this harness is worth a look. If that's you, ready to enhance your car's audio experience while keeping essential features active, this accessory harness fits the bill. It simplifies installation, preserves important vehicle signals, and supports your aftermarket stereo upgrade with reliable power delivery. Try it when you're ready to make your 2012 Ford Focus stereo upgrade smooth and hassle-free.